When we saw our planet from space, we realized just how precious it is. Technologies that were first developed for the space program, like solar panels and hydrogen fuel cells, now help us back on Earth to reduce our use of fossil fuels. Capturing the sun's energy using solar panels is commonplace these days. Windmills dot the skyline. Dams harness the power of moving water. In some places, electricity can be generated from the heat in the ground under our feet. And capturing the energy from the tides, waves, and currents of the oceans is yet to be fully explored. Chemistry can help us too. In years to come, we might even be using hydrogen as a renewable fuel in transport and countless other ways. So technology helps us generate clean energy, and it's getting more accessible, efficient, and cost-effective every day. We could make the most of this and decarbonize our economy even more by increasing the electrification of our world.
Can we meet sustainability challenges without technology? I think that's impossible now, unless we wanted to go back to life before the industrial era. Technology is here, and actually it can be a real enabler to help us all understand what we're doing and be able to make changes based on real-time data. And I think that's an amazing opportunity.
In manufacturing, companies can get an overview of their entire operation, from the raw materials to warehousing and distribution. This digital supply chain means improved efficiency, less waste, and better decision-making, particularly when it's combined with artificial intelligence. AI, along with machine learning, will have a big impact on improving systems and processes. How? Give an AI algorithm a lot of data, and it will find patterns, make connections, and reach solutions much faster than any human. Supercomputers like Fujitsu's Fugaku have already predicted tsunami patterns and disease infection mechanisms. If we link this computing power to sensors and satellites, we could monitor emissions more accurately and better understand climate trends. But that's just one example. AI has many uses, from electricity management to improving freight logistics, to monitoring fertilizers in crop production.
So what are smart cities and smart buildings going to look like in the future? We've talked about this for a long time, but I think for me it's an extension of what we're trying to do in our own daily lives at home. It's around being efficient with our electricity, switching lights off. Imagine if we could scale that up to buildings and cities the size of London or Tokyo. If we can do that with real-time data and insight, that will make such a huge difference to how we can live more sustainably.
So it's clear that technology is a useful tool, but it's important to remember that it's not a silver bullet. Technology will only make an impact in the context of global cooperation and resolve for climate action. But imagine that does happen. Here you are in 2050. After we've taken this opportunity to avoid climate catastrophe. We did the hard work. We cut emissions. We ensured a livable world for our children. If you sent yourself a postcard from this clean, sustainable future, what would you write?